Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Just Here and There. This is Ronald. This video is about the German IC train journey from Aachen, Germany to Brussels, Belgium. The ticket price from Aachen to Brussels is 47 euros if you book 1 or 2 weeks in advance. And there is only one stop between Aachen and Brussels. This IC train offers air-conditioned coaches, spacious comfortable seating, free Wi-Fi, power outlet, TV screen, quiet zone travel compartments and many more. A 145 kilometers journey from Aachen to Brussels just take 1 hour. These intercity express or ICE trains are the flagships of the Germany's Deutsche Bahn railway company. While coming back from Brussels, this train clocked 250 km per hour. Standard luggage may be kept in the storage area above your seat. Larger items can be placed in the designated storage area. There are different types of ICE trains. The first generation train or ICE-1. The maximum operating speed is 280 km per hour and it was launched in 1991. Next is the second generation or ICE-2. The maximum operating speed is 280 km per hour and it was launched in 1996. Here the two trains could be coupled together. This is the ICE-T or tilting train. The maximum operating speed is 230 km per hour and it was launched in 1999. Next is the ICE-3. ICE-3 set a new standard in 2000 by reaching a top speed of 300 km per hour. There is also ICE-TD, which is tilting diesel train introduced in 2001, and also there is ICE-4, which is new high-speed German train introduced in 2016. This ICE train have family compartments. Also, they have toilets. They will do regular maintenance and they are clean. Also, they have added disinfectant to the hand washing facilities. It has onboard restaurant serving hot meals, drinks and snacks. There is also no issues in bringing your own food, snacks or drinks. First class tickets includes catering at your own seat and free newspapers. I hope you like my video. Hit the like button, share and subscribe if you like, and I'll come up with a more interesting video next time. Until then, see you. Bye bye.